Hi everyone, welcome to Chris Auto Notes. Today is our industrial company breakdown 2, Gallon Micro Machining. This is a key semiconductor package equipment supplier in Taiwan, listed on the Taipei Exchange under stock code 6640. Today's content won't focus on stock prices or investment advice. Instead, from an engineering perspective, I'll walk you through what this company actually does, which specific manufacturing processes their equipment serves, and their strategic position within the industry supply chain. If you're interested in packaging equipment, precision tooling, or mechanical systems for back-end processes, this episode will be packed with insights. Founded in 2010, GMM was originally a spin-off from the Semiconductor division of its parent company, Gallon Precision Machining (GPM). The company officially went public on the TPEX in 2018, headquartered in Tucheng, New Taipei City. GMM's core focus isn't on front-end wafer fabrication. Rather, they specialize in back-end packaging equipment, trim and form systems, and precision tooling. While this might sound like traditional manufacturing processes, they are critically linked to semiconductor packaging. Their current global structure consists of R&D and design in Taiwan, manufacturing and processing in Suzhou, and sales hubs in Malaysia. The most direct way to understand GMM is to look at their equipment portfolio. Die attach, high precision bonding equipment. 2. Chip sorting, advanced sorting systems for die management. 3. Molding peripherals. Supporting systems for the molding process. 4. TNF, a flagship area, clearly highlighted in GMM's public disclosures. 5. Precision molds and customized mechanical components. All these equipment shares a common trait. They are highly customized, high mix, and low volume solutions rather than standardized, mass-produced machinery. A simplified semiconductor packaging workflow looks like this: wafer, die attach, chip sorting, molding, and finally trim and form. GMM's position isn't in front-end wafer fab or back-end testers. They operate in the most precision-intensive part of mid to back-end packaging, specifically the tooling, fixtures, and forming stages. And what exactly is TNF? Let's use an everyday example. Imagine you bought a box of chocolate. Each piece might have a slightly different shape, some rounded, some square, or with irregular edges. To fit them nearly into a fixed size tray, you would do two things. 1. Trim. Cut off the excess edge so they look uniform. 2. Form. Slightly press the shape or adjust the angles so they fit perfectly into the slots. In semiconductor packaging, after a component is molded or encapsulated, there is often flash or uneven edges that need to be cleaned up via trimming. Meanwhile, the metal lid frames may need to be bent and shaped. That is forming. A technical challenge GMM must overcome include maintaining cutting precision to avoid package damage, deformation control during bending, stability during high-speed production, modular flexibility for rapid mold changes across different package types. According to official disclosures, GMM's primary customers include TSMC, SPIL, and ASE. Since these are top-tier foundries and OSATs, GMM's equipment is naturally positioned in a high-precision, high-stability supply chain segment. The company currently maintains a Taiwan-based R&D, Suzhou-based production, and global sales model. Based on the latest financial reports, GMM has not disclosed any plans to exit China or relocate capacity, nor is there news of new overseas factories. The Suzhou subsidiary shows no signs of impairment or downsizing, while the global OSAT industry is trending toward the China strategies. GMM's public records show they are maintaining their existing dual-base architecture. Considering their level of customization, high working process ratios, and integrated tooling capacity, GMM isn't building standardized mass-market machines. They specialize in the technical and precision segment of packaging processing. In short, GMM is the precision processing forming expert in the packaging equipment chain. Let's look at the direction indicated by the financial reports. These are strictly public figures, not speculation. 1. R&D expansion. In the first 3 quarters of 2024, R&D investment reached USD 3.33 million, an increase of USD 0.52 million, 90% YOY. This shows a commitment to innovation, though specific product lines weren't spec-filled. 2. Strategic equity investment. As of Q3 2024, this reached USD 27.35 million, and significant increase of USD 16.56 million compared to the previous year. While the specific targets aren't disclosed, the scale of investment is not notable. 3. Capital expenditure. Spending on fixed assets reached USD 0.96 million, an increase of over 113%. This indicates growth in equipment or R&D environment. Overall, the financials show a company aggressively scaling its investments, though specific technical roadmaps remain internal. The biggest shift in the AI era is the the surge in 2.5D and 3D packaging. Advanced technologies like CoWoS and fan-out rely heavily on precision processing and forming control. GMM's product portfolio sits right in the processing loop of these advanced packaging routes, naturally aligning them with current industry demands. GMM is a Taiwan-based company deeply rooted in precision packaging equipment. Their clients are industry leaders, and their strengths lie in precision processing, forming, and tooling integration. Financial indicators shows rising investment in R&D and strategy, even if new product details aren't yet official. If you are interested in engineering side of backend semiconductor processes, GMM is definitely a company whose technical capabilities are worth understanding. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Chris Auto Notes. See you next time. Bye bye.